What's the meaning of commutative? Commutative. Commutative.
Commutative. Commutative. In mathematics, the term commutative refers to an operation that satisfies the commutative property. This property states that the order of the operands does not affect the outcome of the operation. For example, addition is a commutative operation because 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. However, subtraction is not commutative because 2-3 is not equal to 3-2. Other commutative operations include multiplication and logical OR, while non-commutative operations include division and logical AND. Commutativity is a useful property in many areas of mathematics and has important applications in fields such as cryptography and coding theory.